So today is March 24th, and sure enough, I knew that they will have cockroach here again to contaminate all the. You can see that cockroach is running. So I had a big cockroach, okay, you can see the cockroaches. Where is it? Oh, it's hiding, it's almost right there. You can see the cockroach. Okay, so they had this big cockroach. You know how they placed it here? So today they had it in the sink, okay, right here. So, and then when I went to take it with a clip, the cockroach ran from here, okay, from this side it ran. So now that cockroach contaminated all this surface, okay, and these are my washed mats. So obviously cockroach now wants to make issue about it. So it went here, okay. And I just killed a cockroach just yesterday. And if I keep killing one cockroach every day, they will place, or it's always one cockroach, look. It's always one cockroach, okay? And today they placed these two cockroaches. So one big and the one small one, where did it go? It was right here, okay? It was like right there, but there was a small one. So today they thought to place two cockroaches. So the moment I went to pick it up with a stick, okay, the cockroach ran, and I had to go to the to my bedroom to get the phone and record this. Now, so you see how they have been contaminating my food, all my utensils. Yesterday I had to wash everything because my in-laws, you know, they started to touch here and there with their contaminated hands, and I had to wash all these utensils here all over again. I had to clean all this. And today now they want to make issue about something, either that mat or something, because see, today now I'll have to clean these mats again, okay? And so like I said, now they wasted my time. It's morning time when I come here to make eggs for my hubby. But no, they wanted, and this is nothing but ex-FBI agent Geral Sosbee, who always does this, okay? He will place only one cockroach here. Either it's here near the sink, or it's right here, or it's here. So all he does is contaminates all the surfaces, okay? And he will make sure that we eat these kind of food, that we use these kind of utensils that are contaminated, or else he will have me wash all these all over again. Yesterday I just washed it. I had to wash few of the, you know, because of all, and now he contaminated all these surfaces because cockroach went running on this right here. No, it was in here below. It went running this way. So now I'll have to clean all that. And he does every 2-3 days, he does this. No matter even if I remove the cockroach, there will always be one cockroach. You're telling me that these cockroaches are thinking that, oh, today I have to come one by one, you know. If there are so much cockroach manifestations, why it's only showing up early morning? It's always at 5:30 in the 5:10 in the morning when I come here, and now they wasted my 5 minutes already. Okay, so this is what they do. Then they give me all these infections and all that. I'm already in fever, and it was given by these very people because I think something, you know, because they've made me observant, right? Oh, you touched here, you touched there. Oh, look, your in-laws touched here. They touched the trash, and now they touched the knob. Say they came in from this door. They touched the knob. They didn't wipe anything. They didn't wash their hands. But then because I think and I observe all this, they give me fever. They give me sore throat. And all these are induced ones: fever, sore throats, everything. Because they can, like when, you know, I was thinking about, so I had placed my feet against the wall, you know, like, you say like this, okay? And so I was just thinking, oh no, I shouldn't do that. So to think about that, oh, you thought that, okay, so they gave me a mosquito bite exactly here. What an odd place to give mosquito bite, but they didn't give me only, they gave it to my hubby as well. Okay, that mosquito bite exactly at the same spot. And we were out, and so, and then when I was thinking about, in my bathroom, there's how these grout lines are, right? So I was just thinking about the grout, and how the mold keeps building up, and so I have to keep cleaning that, and I was just thinking about that. So just to think about that, they placed centipede exactly on that ground where the bathtub is, near there they placed. Why? Because I thought about that. So now they want to do super interrogation, as Dr. Richard Boylan says. Okay. So to do this, to super interrogation, they will have mosquito bites on our feet. They will give centipedes exactly, or millipedes on the grout. Here they had this big cockroach and waste my time, contaminated all these surfaces, made sure that we fall sick. He always makes sure that I continuously, every 2 days, like I put all these mats into a washing machine. I have to now, clean all these utensils all over again, because I wanted to place a cockroach here. I wanted to make issue, and so that cockroach went running from here in there, and it is still in there, and it is this big size. It was the same cockroach that he placed here when he wanted to make issue about that falafel. He placed it right on the paper napkin. So all this is done exactly at a point, and that is what Billy Cron Pasta says, that all this is witchcraft, and that there's a cockroach manifestations or all these weird insects activities, that is all part of witchcraft. And that is what he says, that there are 300 witches in one military base. And as Dr. Richard Boylan says, that Area 51 and military, Delta Force, Washington, D.C., Freemasons, all these people, FBI, CIA, DOD, DARPA, NSA, all these people, they are into all these witchcraft, because they believe in occult, they believe in Lucifer. So this is how they make sure that I go through more and more work, in my house, and this is how they torture me to make me work more and more. Because yesterday, you're gonna work, you're gonna clean all this all over again, and there were some utensils that was lying here, and I had to, do all that again, clean all over again, because, they just touch it with their dirty hands everywhere, and so, yeah. And so they are like, oh, now you do this, now you clean that, now you clean mats, all this BS.